Hello friends, welcome to Suji Tech Academy. We will watch line by line question and answers from the 6th lesson Yearly Revolts Against British Rule in Tamil Nadu in 10th Standard History Social Science Amateur book fully in English medium. I have taken around 120 plus line by line question and answers with book back questions from this lesson. Now let us see one by one. First question, after defeating the French and their Indian allies in Dash, the East India Company began to consolidate and extend its power and influence. Option A, First Carnatic War. Option B, Second Carnatic War. Option C, Third Carnatic War. Option D, the three Carnatic Wars. Correct answer is option D, the three Carnatic Wars. Second question, the first resistance to East India Company's territorial aggrandizement was from Dash. Option A, Pulithevar. Option B, Veerapandiya Kattabomman. Option C, Marudhu brothers. Option D, Theeran Chinnamalai. Correct answer is option A, Pulithevar. Question number 3, Pulithevar was from Dash in the Tirunelveli region, Tenkasi district. Option A, Nerkettum Seval. Option B, Ootumalai. Option C, Thalavan Kottai. Option D, Naduvankuruchi. Correct answer is option A, Nerkettum Seval. Question number 4. After Pulithevar, other chieftains in the Tamil country followed such as Dash. Option A, Veru Nachiyar. Option B, Veerapandiya Kattabomman. Option C, the Marudhu brothers, Theeran Chinnamalai. Option D, all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. Question number 5. Known as the Palekaras Wars, the culmination of which was Vellore Revolt of Dash, this yearly resistance to British rule in Tamil Nadu. Option A, 1805. Option B, 1806. Option C, 1807. Option D, 1808. Correct answer is option B, 1806. Question number 6. The word Palayam means dash. Option A, a domain. Option B, a military camp. Option C, a little kingdom. Option D, all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. Question number 7. Dash is how the British refer to Palekaras. Palekaras in Tamil refers to the holder of a little kingdom as a feudatory to a greater sovereign. Option A, Poligar. Option B, Palekar. Option C, Palayas. Option D, Poliakar. Correct answer is option A, Poligar. Question number 8. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Under Palekar system, Palayam was given for valuable military services rendered by any individual. Statement 2. This type of Palekara system was in practice during the rule of Prataparudra of Warangal in the Kakatiya kingdom. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 9. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The system was introduced in Tamil Nadu by Vishwanatha Nayaka when he became the Nayak ruler of Madurai in 1539 with the support of his minister Ariyanathar. Statement 2. Traditionally, there were supposed to be 73 Palekaras. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. In statement 1, instead of 1539, 1529 should come. In statement 2, instead of 73 Palekaras, 72 should come. 72 Palekaras. Correct answer is option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Question number 10. The Palaikaras were free to dash. Option A. Collect revenue. Option B. Administer the territory. Option C. Settle disputes and maintain law and order. Option D. All the above. Correct answer is option D. All the above. Question number 11. Palaikaras police duties were known as dash. Option A. Padikaval. Option B. Arasukaval. Option C. Both A or B. Option D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. Both A or B. Question number 12. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. On many occasions, the Palaikaras helped the Nayak rulers to restore the kingdom to them. Statement 2. The personal relationship and an understanding between the king and the Palaikaras made the system to last for about 200 years from the Nayaks of Madurai until the takeover of these territories by the British. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Question number 13. Identify which is or are correct. Eastern and Western Palayams. 1. Among the 72 Palayakaras created by the Nayak rulers, there were two blocks, namely the prominent Eastern and the Western Palayams. 2. The Western Palayams were Sathur, Nagalapuram, Ettayapuram and Panjalankuruchi. 3. The prominent Eastern Palayams were Ootumalai, Talavankotai, Naduvankuruchi, Singambatti, Sethur. Option A 1 only correct, option B 2 only correct, option C 3 only correct, option D all are correct. Correct answer is option A 1 only correct. In 2 and 3, Western Palayams and Eastern Palayams are interchanged. Eastern Palayam should come in 2, Western Palayam should come in 3. The Eastern Palayams were Sathur, Nagalapuram, Ettayapuram and Panjalankuruchi. The Western Palayams were Ootumalai, Talavankotai, Naduvankuruchi, Singambatti, Sethur. Correct answer is option A 1 only correct. Question number 14. Identify which is or are correct. 1. In March 1755, Mahfuz Khan, brother of the Nawab of Arcot, was sent with a contingent of the company army under Colonel Heran to Tirunelveli. 2. Madurai easily fell into their hands. 3. Thereafter, Colonel Heran was urged to deal with Pulidevar as he continued to defy the authority of the company. Option A 1 only correct, option B 2 only correct, option C 3 only correct, option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D all are correct. Question number 15. Dash wielded much influence over the Western Palaikaras. Option A Kattavamman, option B Pulidevar, option C Veru Nachiyar, option D Marudu brothers. Correct answer is option B Pulidevar. Question number 16. Assertion A. Colonel Heran was recalled and dismissed from service. Reason R. For want of cannon and of supplies and paid to soldiers, Colonel Heran abandoned the plan and retired to Madurai. Option A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. A is correct and R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is wrong and R is correct. Option D. Both are wrong. Correct answer is option A. A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 17. 3 Pathan officers, Nawab Chanda Sahib's agents, named Dash commanded the Madurai and Tirunelveli regions. Option A. Miana, option B. Mudimiya, option C. Nabikan Katak, option D. All the above. Correct answer is option D. All the above. Question number 18. Identify which is are correct. 1. 3 Pathan officers commanded the Madurai and Tirunelveli regions and supported the Tamil Palaikaras against Arcot Nawab Muhammad Ali. 2. Pulidevar had established close relationships with them. 3. Pulidevar also formed a confederacy of the Palayakaras to fight the British. Option A 1 2 only correct. Option B 2 3 only correct. Option C 1 3 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 19. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. With the exception of the Palayakaras of Sivagiri, all other Maravar Palayans supported Pulithevar. Statement 2. Ettayapuram and Panjalanguruchi also did not join this confederacy. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Question number 20. The English succeeded in getting the support of the Rajas of Dash. Option A. Ramanathapuram and Pudukottai. Option B. Sivagiri and Panjalanguruchi. Option C. Ettayapuram and Ramanathapuram. Option D. Ramanathapuram and Panjalanguruchi. Correct answer is option A. Ramanathapuram and Pudukottai. Question number 21. Pulithevar tried to get the support of Dash. Option A. Hyder Ali of Mysore. Option B. The French. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. Both A and B. Question number 22. Dash could not help Pulithevar as he was already locked in a serious conflict with the Marathas. Option A. Hyder Ali of Mysore. Option B. Muhammad Ali. Option C. The French. Option D. None of these. Correct answer is option A. Hyder Ali of Mysore. Question number 23. Identify which is are correct. Kalakkad battle. 1. The Nawab sent an additional contingent of Sipais to Muffaz Khan and the reinforced army proceeded to Tirunelveli. 2. Besides the 1000 Sipais of the company, Muffaz Khan received 600 more sent by the Nawab. 3. He also had the support of cavalry and foot soldiers from the Carnatic. 4. Before Muffaz Khan could station his troops near Kalakkad, 2000 soldiers from Travancore joined the forces of Pulithevar. 5. In the battle at Kalakkad, Muffaz Khan's troops were routed. Option A 1 2 3 only correct. Option B 2 3 4 only correct. Option C 1 3 4 5 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D all are correct. Question number 24. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The organized resistance of the Palayakaras under Pulithevar gave an opportunity to the English to interfere directly in the affairs of Tirunelveli. Statement 2. Aided by the Raj of Travancore from 1756 to 1763, the Palayakaras of Tirunelveli led by Pulithevar were in a constant state of rebellion against the Nawab's authority. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Question number 25. Dash, who had been sent by the company, was not prepared to attack Pulithevar unless the big guns and ammunition from Tiruchirappalli arrived. Option A. Yusuf Khan. Option B. Khan Sahib. Option C. Marudanayagam. Option D. All the above. Correct answer is option D. All the above. Before conversion of Muslim community, his original name was Marudanayagam. Question number 26. Identify which is or are correct. 1. As the English were at war with the French as well as with Hyder Ali and Marathas, the artillery arrived only in September 1760. 2. Yusuf Khan began to batter the Nerkattum Sebel fort and this attack continued for about 2 months. 3. On 16 March 1761, Pulithevar's 3 major forts, Nerkattum Sebel, Vasudevanallur and Panayur came under the control of Yusuf Khan. Option A 1 2 only correct. Option B 2 3 only correct. Option C 1 3 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option A. 1 2 only correct. In 3, instead of March, May should come. 16 May 1761. Correct answer is option A, 1 2 only correct. Question number 27. Dash switched their loyalty to the opposite camp. Option A, Travangurs, Setur. Option B, Ootumalai, Surandai. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 28. Yusuf Khan, who was negotiating with the Palaikaras without informing the company administration, was charged with treachery and hanged in dash. Option A, 1763. Option B, 1764. Option C, 1765. Option D, 1767. Correct answer is option B, 1764. Question number 29. Which one is RR correct? Fall of Pulithevar. 1. After the death of Khan Sahib, Pulithevar returned from exile and recaptured Nerkattum Seval in 1765. 2. However, he was defeated by Captain Campbell in 1767. 3. Pulithevar escaped and died in exile. Option A, 1 2 only correct. Option B, 2 3 only correct. Option C, 1 3 only correct. Option D, all are correct. Correct answer is option B, 2 3 only correct. In 1, instead of 1765, 1764 should come. Correct answer is option B, 2 3 only correct. Question number 30. Identify which is are correct. Vandi Veeran. 1. Vandi Veeran led one of the army units of Pulithevar. 2. Fighting by the side of Pulithevar, he caused much damage to the company's army. 3. According to oral tradition, in one battle, Vandi Veeran's hand was chopped off and Pulithevar was saddened. 4. But Vandi Veeran said it was a reward for his penetration into enemy's fort, causing many heads to roll. Option A, 1 2 3 only correct. Option B, 1 2 4 only correct. Option C, 1 3 4 only correct. Option D, all are correct. Correct answer is option D, all are correct. Question number 31. Identify which is are correct. Velu Nachar 1730 to 1796. 1. Born in 1730 to the Raja Sellamuthu Sethupathi of Ramanathapuram, Velu Nachar was the only daughter of this royal family. 2. The king had no male heir. 3. The royal family brought up the Princess Velu Nachiyar, training her in martial arts like Valari, stick fighting, and to wield weapons. Option A, 1 2 only correct. Option B, 2 3 only correct. Option C, 1 3 only correct. Option D, all are correct. Correct answer is option D, all are correct. Question number 32. Velu Nachiyar was also adept in horse riding and archery, apart from her proficiency in dash. Option A, English. Option B, French. Option C, Urdu. Option D, all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. Question number 33. At the age of 16, Velu Nachiyar was married to Muthuvadugar, the Raja of Dash, and had a daughter by name Vellachi Nachiyar. Option A, Dindikkal. Option B, Madurai. Option C, Sivagiri. Option D, Sivagangai. Correct answer is option D, Sivagangai. Question number 34. In Dash, the Nawab of Arcot and the company troops under the command of Lieutenant Colonel Bonjour stormed the Kalayar Koil Palace, and finally in this battle Muthuvadugar was killed. Option A, 1772. Option B, 1780. Option C, 1790. Option D, 1796. Correct answer is option A, 1772. Question number 35. Velu Nachiyar escaped with her daughter and lived under the protection of Gopala Nayak at Dash near Dindukkal for 8 years. Option A, Sivagangai. Option B, Virupachi. Option C, Sivagiri. Option D, Ramanathapuram. Correct answer is option B, Virupachi. Question number 36. Identify which is RR correct. 1. During her period in hiding, Velu Nachar organized an army and succeeded in securing an alliance with not only Gopala Nayakar but Hyder Ali as well. 2. Talavai, military chief, Tandavaraya wrote a letter to Sultan Hyder Ali on behalf of Velu Nachar asking for 5,000 infantry and 5,000 cavalry to defeat the English. 3. Velu Nachar explained in detail in Urdu all the problems she had with East India Company. 4. She conveyed her strong determination to fight the English. Option A 1, 2, 3 only correct. Option B 1, 2, 4 only correct. Option C 1, 3, 4 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 37. Impressed by Veer Nachar's courage, Hyder Ali ordered his commandant Syed in Dash Fort to provide the required military assistance. Option A Ramanathapuram. Option B Sangagiri. Option C Dindukkal. Option D Sivagiri. Correct answer is option C. Dindukkal. Question number 38. Identify which is or are correct. 1. Veer Nachar employed agents for gathering intelligence to find where the British had stored their ammunition. 2. With military assistance from Gopala Nayak and Hyder Ali, she recaptured Sivagangai. 3. She was crowned as queen with the help of Marudha brothers. Option A 1, 2 only correct. Option B 2, 3 only correct. Option C 1, 3 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 39. Dash was the first female ruler or queen to resist the British colonial power in India. Option A Jhansi Rani. Option B Mangammal. Option C Veru Nachar. Option D Rani Brukmani. Correct answer is option C. Veru Nachar. Question number 40. Veerapandi Kattaboman became the Palekarar of Panjalanguruchi at the age of Dash on the death of his father, Jagaveera Pandya Kattaboman. Option A 27, option B 29, option C 30, option D 33. Correct answer is option C 30. Question number 41. Dash had considered Kattaboman a man of peaceful disposition. However, soon several events led to conflicts between Veerapandi Kattaboman and the East India Company. Option A, the company's administrators. Option B, James London. Option C, Colin Jackson. Option D, all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. Question number 42. The Nawab, under the provisions of a treaty signed in Dash, had assigned the revenue of the Carnatic to the company to be entirely under their management and control during the war with Mysore Sultan. Option A 1781, option B 1783, option C 1790, option D 1791. Correct answer is option A 1781. Question number 43. Which one is or are correct? 1. 1/4 of the revenue was to be allowed to meet the expenses of Nawab and his family. 2. The company had thus gained the right to collect taxes from Panjalanguruchi. 3. The company appointed its collectors to collect taxes from all the Palayams. Option A 1, 2 only correct. Option B 2, 3 only correct. Option C 1, 3 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option B 2, 3 only correct. In 1, instead of 1/4, 1/6 should come. One by 6. Correct answer is option A 2, 3 only correct. Question number 44. The collectors dash, which was the bone of contention between the English and the Kattaboman. Option A humiliated the Palayakaras. Option B adopted force to collect taxes. Option C both A and B. Option D none of these. Correct answer is option C both A and B. Question number 45. The land revenue area from Katavaman was dash pagodas in 1798. Option A 1080, option B 1810, option C 3130, option D 3310. Correct answer is option D 3310. Question number 46. Dash an arrogant English officer wanted to send an army to collect the revenue dues, but the Madras government did not give him permission. Option A Collector Jackson, option B Collector S.R. Lushington, option C James London, option D John Casamajor. Correct answer is option A Collector Jackson. Question number 47. On dash, Collector Jackson ordered Kattavaman to meet him in Ramanathapuram. Option A 14 August 1798. Option B 15 August 1798. Option C 17 August 1798. Option D 18 August 1798. Correct answer is option D 18 August 1798. Question number 48. Kattavaman's attempts to meet him in between proved futile as Jackson refused to give him audience in dash. Option A Kutralam, option B Srivilliputtur, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Correct answer is option C both A and B. Question number 49. At last, an interview was granted and Kattavaman met Jackson in Ramanathapuram on dash. Option A 9 September 1798, option B 15 September 1798, option C 19 September 1798, option D 23 September 1798. Correct answer is option C 19 September 1798. Question number 50. Kattavaman had to stand for dash before the haughty Collector Jackson. Option A 2 hours, option B 3 hours, option C 4 hours, option D 5 hours. Correct answer is option B 3 hours. Question number 51. Sensing danger, Kattavaman tried to escape along with his minister dash. Option A Sivarathinam, option B Sivashankaranar, option C Sivalinganaar, option D Sivasubramanianar. Correct answer is option D Sivasubramanianar. Question number 52. Dash suddenly entered the Ramanathapuram fort with his men and helped the escape of Kattavaman. Option A Ondi Veeran, option B Oomaithurai, option C Chinna Marudu, option D Periya Marudu. Correct answer is option B Oomaithurai. Question number 53. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. At the gate of the Ramanathapuram fort, there was a clash in which some people including Lieutenant Clark were killed. Statement 2. Sivasubramanianar was taken prisoner. Option A statement 1 only correct. Option B statement 2 only correct. Option C both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Question number 54. Which one is or are correct? Appearance before Madras Council. 1. On his return to Panjalanguruchi, Kattavaman represented to the Madras Council about how he was ill-treated by the Collector Jackson. 2. The council asked Kattavaman to appear before a committee with William Brown, William Oram and John Casamajor as members. 3. Meanwhile, Governor Robert Clive ordered the release of Sivasubramanianar and the suspension of the Collector Jackson. Option A 1 2 only correct. Option B 2 3 only correct. Option C 1 3 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option A 1 2 only correct. In 3, instead of Robert Clive, Edward Clive should come. Edward Clive. Correct answer is option A 1 2 only correct. Question number 55. Kattaboman appeared before the committee that sat on dash and reported on what transpired in Ramanathapuram. Option A 5 December 1798. Option B 10 December 1798. Option C 15 December 1798. Option D 20 December 1798. Correct answer is option C 15 December 1798. Question number 56. The committee found Kattaboman was not guilty. Jackson was dismissed from service and a new collector dash was appointed. Option A Captain Campbell. Option B Colonel Heron. Option C Ponjar. Option D S.R. Lushington. Correct answer is option D S.R. Lushington. Question number 57. Kattaboman cleared almost all the revenue arrears, leaving only a balance of dash pagodas. Option A 1080, option B 1081, option C 1008, option D 1088. Correct answer is option A 1080. Question number 58. Marudu Pandiyar of Sivagangai formed the South Indian Confederacy of rebels against the British with the neighboring Palekaras like dash. Option A Gopala Nayak of Dindigul. Option B Atul Nayak of Anaimalai. Option C both A and B. Option D none of these. Correct answer is option C both A and B. Question number 59. Which one is or are correct? 1. Marudu Pandiyar acted as South Indian Confederacy's leader. 2. The Tiruchirappalli proclamation had been made. 3. Kattaboman was interested in this confederacy. Option A 1, 2 only correct. Option B 2, 3 only correct. Option C 1, 3 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 60. Dash prevented Kattaboman from meeting the Marudu brothers. Option A Collector Jackson. Option B Collector Lushington. Option C Colin Macaulay. Option D Colonel Innes. Correct answer is Collector Lushington. Question number 61. Kattaboman tried to influence Dash Palekaras who refused to join and advanced towards Dash. Option A Ettayapuram. Option B Pudukottai. Option C Sivagiri. Option D Ramanathapuram. Correct answer is option C Sivagiri. Question number 62. Assertion A. The English company ordered the army to march on to Tirunelveli. Reason are, the Palekaras of Sivagiri was a tribute to the company and the company considered the expedition of Kattaboman as a challenge to their authority. Option A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, A is correct and R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is wrong and R is correct. Option D, both are wrong. Correct answer is option A. A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 63. In May 1799, Lord Wellesley issued orders from Madras for the advance of forces from Dash to Tirunelveli and was commanded the troops by Major Bannerman. Option A Tiruchirappalli, option B Tanjavur, option C Madurai, option D all the above. Correct answer is option D all the above. Question number 64. Dash troops to joined the British in Tirunelveli. Option A the Sangagiri, option B the Sivagangai, option C the Pudukottai, option D the Trivangor. Correct answer is option D the Trivangor. Question number 65. On Dash, an ultimatum was served on Kattaboman to surrender. Option A 1st September 1799. Option B 5th September 1799. Option C 9th September 1799. Option D 11th September 1799. Correct answer is option A 1st September 1799. Question number 66. Which one is or are correct? 1. Kattaboman's evasive reply prompted Bannerman to attack his fort. 2. Bannerman moved his entire army to Panjalanguruchi on 3 September. 3. They cut off all the communications to the fort. Option A 1 2 only correct. Option B 2 3 only correct. Option C 1 3 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option C 1 3 only correct. Instead of 3 September, 5 should come. 5th September. Bannerman moved his entire army to Panjalanguruchi on 5th September. Correct answer is option C 1 3 only correct. Question number 67. Dash gathered all the secrets of the fort and on the basis of his report, Bannerman decided the strategy of the operation. Option A Ramalinganar, Option B Subramaniar, Option C Ondi Veeran, Option D Oomaithurai. Correct answer is option A Ramalinganar. Question number 68. In a clash at Kolarpatti, Dash was taken a prisoner. Option A Sivasubramanianar, Option B Ramalinganar, Option C Ondi Veeran, Option D Oomaithurai. Correct answer is option A Sivasubramanianar. Question number 69. Kattaboman escaped to Dash. Option A Ramanathapuram, Option B Sivagangai, Option C Ettayapuram, Option D Pudukottai. Correct answer is option D Pudukottai. Question number 70. Betrayed by the Rajas of Dash was finally captured. Option A Ettayapuram, Option B Pudukottai, Option C both A and B, Option D none of this. Correct answer is option C both A and B. Question number 71. Sivasubramanianar was executed or hanged at Dash on 13th September. Option A Sangagiri, Option B Nagalapuram, Option C Kayathar, Option D Kalayar Koil. Correct answer is option B Nagalapuram. Question number 72. Which statement is or are correct? 1. Bannerman made a mockery of a trial for Kattaboman in front of the Palekaras on 16 October. 2. During the trial, Kattaboman bravely admitted all the charges leveled against him. 3. Kattaboman was hanged from a tamarind tree in the old fort of Kayathar, close to Tirunelveli in front of the fellow Palekaras. Option A 1 2 only correct. Option B 2 3 only correct. Option C 1 3 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D all are correct. Question number 73. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Periya Marudu, also known as Vella Marudu, 1748 to 1801, and his younger brother Chinna Marudu, 1753 to 1801, were able generals of Muthuvadugar of Sivagangai. Statement 2. After Muthuvadugar's death in the Kalayar Koil battle, Marudu brothers assisted in restoring the throne to Velunachiyar. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Question number 74. Which statement is or are correct? In the last years of 18th century, Marudu brothers organized resistance against the British. 2. After the death of Kattaboman, they worked along with his brother Oomaithurai. 3. They plundered the granaries of the Nawab and caused damage and destruction to company troops. Option A 1 2 only correct. Option B 2 3 only correct. Option C 1 3 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D all are correct. Question number 75. Rebellion of Marudu brothers. Option A 1798 to 1799. Option B 1799 to 1800. Option C 1799 to 1801. Option D 1800 to 1801. Correct answer is option D 1800 to 1801. Question number 76. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Despite the suppression of Kattavaman's revolt in 1799, rebellion broke out again in 1800. Statement 2. In the British records, it is referred to as the Second Palaikarar War. Option A, Statement 1 only correct. Option B, Statement 2 only correct. Option C, both Statement 1 2 are correct. Option D, both Statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is Option C. Both Statement 1 2 are correct. Question number 77. Which statement is or are correct? Rebellion of Marudu brothers 1800 to 1801. 1. It was directed by a confederacy consisting of Marudu Pandyas of Sivagangai, Gopala Nayak of Dindigul, Kerala Varma of Malabar, and Krishnappa Nayak and Dundaji of Mysore. 2. In April 1800, they met at Virupachi and decided to organize an uprising against the company. 3. The uprising, which broke out in Coimbatore in June 1800, soon spread to Ramanathapuram and Madurai. Option A, 1 2 only correct. Option B, 2 3 only correct. Option C, 1 3 only correct. Option D, all are correct. Correct answer is Option D, all are correct. Question number 78. Identify the correct statement. Rebellion of Marudu brothers 1800 to 1801. Statement 1. The company got wind of rebellion and declared war on Krishnappa Nayak of Mysore, Kerala Varma of Malabar and others. Statement 2. The Palaikaras of Coimbatore, Satyamangalam and Tarapuram were caught and hanged. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is Option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Question number 79. In February 1801, the two brothers of Kattavaman, Oomethurai and Sevathaiya, escaped from the Palayam Kottai prison to Dash, from where Chinnamarudu took them to Siruvayal, his capital. Option A. Sivagangai. Option B. Satyamangalam. Option C. Tarapuram. Option D. Kamudi. Correct answer is Option D. Kamudi. Question number 80. Identify the correct statement. 1. The fort at Panjalanguruchi was reconstructed in record time. 2. The British troops under Colin Macaulay retook the fort in April and the Marudu brothers sought shelter in Sivagangai. 3. The English demanded that the Marudu Pandyas hand over the fugitives, Oomethurai and Sevathaiya, but they refused. 4. Colonel Agnew and Colonel Inks marched on Sivagangai. Option A, 1 2 3 only correct. Option B, 1 3 4 only correct. Option C, 1 2 4 only correct. Option D, all are correct. Correct answer is Option D, all are correct. Question number 81. In Dash, Marudu Pandyas issued a proclamation of independence which is called Tiruchirappalli Proclamation. Option A, June 1800. Option B, June 1801. Option C, July 1800. Option D, July 1801. Correct answer is Option B, June 1801. Question number 82. Which statement is or are correct? Proclamation of 1801. 1. The Proclamation of 1801 was an yearly call to the Indians to unite against the British, cutting across regions, caste, creed, and religion. 2. The proclamation was pasted on the walls of the Nawab's palace in Tiruchirappalli fort and on the walls of the Srirangam temple. 3. Many Palaikaras of Tamil country rallied together to fight against the English. 4. Chinnamarudu collected nearly 20,000 men to challenge the English army. Option A, 1 2 3 only correct. Option B, 2 3 4 only correct. Option C, 1 3 4 only correct. Option D, all are correct. Correct answer is Option D, all are correct. Question number 83. Which statement is or are correct? 1. British reinforcements were pushed from Bengal, Ceylon and Malaya. 2. The Rajas of Pudukottai, Ettayapuram and Tanjavur stood by the British. 3. Divide and rule policy followed by the English split the forces of the Palaikaras soon. Option A, 1 2 only correct. Option B, 2 3 only correct. Option C, 1 3 only correct. Option D, all are correct. Correct answer is Option D, all are correct. Number 84. Which statement is or correct? Fall of Sivagangai. 1. In May 1801, the English attacked the rebels in Tanjavur and Tiruchirappalli. 2. The rebels went to Piranmalai and Kalayar Koil. 3. They were again defeated by the forces of the English. Option A 1, 2 only correct. Option B 2, 3 only correct. Option C 1, 3 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 85. The rebellion of Marudu brothers failed and dash was annexed in 1801. Option A Sivagangai. Option B Ramanathapuram. Option C Dindukkal. Option D Madurai. Correct answer is option A Sivagangai. Question number 86. The Marudu brothers were executed in the fort of Tirupattur near Ramanathapuram on dash. Option A 16 October 1801. Option B 20 October 1801. Option C 24 October 1801. Option D 26 October 1801. Correct answer is option C 24 October 1801. Question number 87. Oomaithurai and Sevathaiya were captured and beheaded at Panchalanguruchi on dash. Option A 26 October 1801. Option B 10 November 1801. Option C 16 November 1801. Option D 26 November 1801. Correct answer is option C 16 November 1801. Question number 88. Dash ripples were exiled to Penang in Malaya. Option A 72. Option B 73. Option C 74. Option D 76. Correct answer is option B 73. Question number 89. Dash is a landmark event in the history of Tamil Nadu. Option A Rebellion of Marudu brothers. Option B South Indian Rebellion. Option C both A and B. Option D none of these. Correct answer is option C both A and B. Question number 90. The suppression of the Palaikaras rebellion of Dash resulted in the liquidation of all the local chieftains of Tamil Nadu. Option A 1799. Option B 1800. Option C 1801. Option D all the above. Correct answer is option D all the above. Question number 91. Under the terms of Carnatic Treaty of Dash, the British assumed direct control over Tamilagam and the Palaikara system came to an end with the demolition of all forts and the dismantlement of their army. Option A 1st July 1801. Option B 11 July 1801. Option C 21 July 1801. Option D 31 July 1801. Correct answer is option D 31 July 1801. Question number 92. Theeran Chinnamalai was born as dash in 1756. Option A Devanagiri. Option B Tirthagiri. Option C Teenangiri. Option D Thevagiri. Correct answer is option B Tirthagiri. Question number 93. Theeran was well trained in dash. Option A Silambam, archery. Option B horse riding. Option C modern warfare. Option D all the above. Correct answer is option D all the above. Question number 94. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Theeran was involved in resolving family and land disputes in the Kongu region. Statement 2. As this region was under the control of the Mysore Sultan, tax was collected by Tipu's Diwan Muhammad Ali. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 95. Once when the dash was returning to Mysore with the tax money, Tirthagiri blocked his way and confiscated all the tax money. Option A. Diwan Muhammad Ali. Option B. Diwan Salim Ali. Option C. Diwan Muhammad Qasim. Option D. Diwan Syed Khan. Correct answer is option A. Diwan Muhammad Ali. Question number 96. Assertion A. Theeran gained the name Theeran Chinnamalai. Reason are, Theeran let Muhammad Ali go by instructing him to tell his Sultan that Chinnamalai, who is between Sivamalai and Chennimalai, was the one who took away taxes. Option A is correct and or is the correct explanation of A. Option B, A is correct and or is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is wrong and or is correct. Option D, both are wrong. Correct answer is option A. A is correct and or is the correct explanation of A. Question number 97. Defender Diwan Muhammad Ali sent a contingent to attack Chinnamalai and both the forces met and fought at the Dash river bed where Chinnamalai emerged victorious. Option A Kaveri, option B Noyal, option C Tamirabarani, option D Vaigai. Correct answer is option B Noyal. Question number 98. After Tipu's death, Dheeran Chinnamalai built a fort and fought the British without leaving the place, which is called Dash. Option A Vodam, option B Vodagam, option C Vodanilai, option D Vodalai. Correct answer is option C Vodanilai. Question number 99. Dash launched guerrilla attacks and evaded capture. Option A Pooli Devar, option B Chinna Marudu, option C Theeran Chinnamalai, option D Kattavamman. Correct answer is option C Theeran Chinnamalai. Question number 100. The English captured Theeran and his brothers and kept them in prison in Dash. Option A Sivagangai, option B Sankagiri, option C Ramanathapuram, option D Nagalapuram. Correct answer is option B Sankagiri. Question number 101. Assertion A. Theeran and his brothers were hanged at the top of the Sankagiri fort on 30 July 1805. Reason are, when Theeran and his brothers were asked to accept the rule of the British, they refused. Option A. A is correct and or is the correct explanation of A. Option B. A is correct and or is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is wrong and or is correct. Option D. Both are wrong. Correct answer is option C. A is wrong and or is correct. In A, instead of 30, 31st should come. 31 July 1805. Correct answer is option C. A is wrong and R is correct. Question number 102. Before reducing all Palekaras of South Tamil Nadu into submission, the East India Company had acquired the revenue districts of Dash at the conclusion of the war with Tipu in 1792. Option A Salem Dindigul, option B Salem Coimbatore, option C Coimbatore Dindigul, option D Sivagangai Dindigul. Correct answer is option A Salem Dindigul. Question number 103. Dash was annexed at the end of the Anglo-Mysore War in 1799. Option A Coimbatore, option B Ramanathapuram, option C Namakkal, option D Karur. Correct answer is option A Coimbatore. Question number 104. In 1799, the Raja of Dash, whose status had been reduced to that of a vassal in 1798, gave up his sovereign rights over that region to the English. Option A Tanjavur, option B Ettayapuram, option C Sivagiri, option D Sivagangai. Correct answer is option A Tanjavur. Question number 105. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. After the separation of resistance of Kattavamman 1799 and the Marudu brothers 1801, the British charged the Nawab of Arcot with disloyalty and forced a treaty on him. Statement 2. According to this treaty of 1801, the Nawab was to cede the districts of North Arcot, South Arcot, Tiruchirappalli, Madurai and Tirunelveli to the company and transfer all the administrative powers to it. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Question number 106. Which statement is are correct? 1. The dispossessed small kings and feudal chieftains continued to deliberate on the future course of action against the company government. 2. The outcome was the Vellore Revolt of 1806. 3. The objective conditions for a last-ditch fight existed on the eve of the revolt. Option A 1 2 only correct. Option B 2 3 only correct. Option C 1 3 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 107. Which statement is or are correct? 1. The Sipais in the British Indian Army nursed a strong sense of resentment over low salary and poor prospects of promotion. 2. The English army officers' conned respect for the social and religious sentiments of the Indian Sipais also angered them. 3. The state of peasantry from which class the Sipais had been recruited also bothered them much. 4. With new experiments in land tenures causing unsettled conditions and famine breaking out in 1805, many of the Sipais' families were in dire economic straits. 5. The most opportune situation come with the sons and the family members of Tipu being interned in Vellore Fort. Option A 1 2 3 only correct. Option B 2 3 4 only correct. Option C 1 3 4 5 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 108. The trigger for the Vellore Fort came in the form of a new military regulation notified by the dash. Option A Commander-in-Chief Sir John Craddock. Option B Colonel Fancourt. Option C Colonel Mackerras. Option D Major Armstrong. Correct answer is option A. Commander-in-Chief Sir John Craddock. Question number 109. Which statement is or are correct? Vellore Revolt 1806. 1. According to the new regulations, the Indian soldiers were asked not to wear caste marks or earrings when in uniform. 2. They were to be cleanly shaven on the chin and maintain uniformity about how their moustache looked. 3. The new turban added fuel to fire. 4. The most objectionable addition was the leather cockade made of animal skin. 5. The Sipais gave enough forewarnings by refusing to wear the new turban. 6. Yet the company administration did not take heed. Option A 1 2 3 only correct. Option B 2 3 4 only correct. Option C 1 3 4 5 6 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 110. On dash in the early hours, guns were booming and the Indian Sipais of the 1st and 23rd regiments raised their standard of revolt. Option A 1st July 1806. Option B 10 July 1806. Option C 11 July 1806. Option D 15 July 1806. Correct answer is option B 10 July 1806. Question number 111. Which statement is or are correct? Outbreak of the revolt. 1. Colonel Fancourt, who commanded the garrison, was the first victim. 2. Colonel Mackerras of the 23rd Regiment was killed next. 3. Major Armstrong, who was passing the fort, heard the sound of firing. 4. When he stopped to inquire, he was showered with bullets. 5. About a dozen other officers were killed within an hour or so. 6. Among them, Lieutenant Ely and Lieutenant Popham belonged to His Majesty Battalion. Option A 1 2 only correct. Option B 2 3 4 only correct. Option C 1 3 4 5 6 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. This is a screenshot for centers of early revolts against British rule in Tamil Nadu. Question number 112. Which statement is or are correct? Gillespie's brutality. 1. Major Coots, who was outside the fort, informed Colonel Gillespie, the cavalry commandant in Orchard. 2. Gillespie reached the fort along with a squadron of cavalry under the command of Captain Young at 9 a.m. 3. In the meantime, the rebels proclaimed Fateh Haidar, Tipu's eldest son, as their new ruler and hosted the tiger flag of Mysore Sultans in the fort. 4. But the uprising was swiftly crushed by Colonel Gillespie, who threw to wins all war ethics. In the course of suppression, according to an eyewitness account, 800 soldiers were found dead in the fort alone. 5. 600 soldiers were kept in confinement in Tiruchirappalli and Vellore awaiting inquiry. Option A 1, 2, 3 only correct. Option B 2, 3, 4, 5 only correct. Option C 1, 3, 4, 5 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 113. Which statement is or are correct? Consequences of revolt. 1. 6 of the rebels convicted by the court of inquiry were blown from the guns. 5 were shot dead, 8 hanged. 2. Tipu sons were ordered to be sent to Calcutta. 3. The officers and men engaged in the suppression of the revolt were rewarded with prize money and promotion. 4. Colonel Gillespie was given 7,000 pagodas. 5. However, the commander-in-chief, Sir John Cradock, the Adjutant General Agnew and Governor William Bentinck were held responsible for the revolt, removed from their office and recalled to England. 6. The military regulations were treated as withdrawn. Option A 1, 2, 3, 4 only correct. Option B 2, 3, 4, 5 only correct. Option C 1, 3, 4, 6 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 114. Which statement is or are correct? Estimate of revolt. 1. The Vellore revolt failed because there was no immediate help from outside. 2. Recent studies show that the organizing part of the revolt was done perfectly by Subedars, Sheikh Adam and Sheikh Hamid and Jamedar Sheikh Hussain of the 2nd Battalion of 23rd Regiment and 2 Subedars and the Jamidar Sheikh Qasim of the 1st Battalion of the 1st Regiment. 3. Vellore revolt had all the forbiddance of the Great Rebellion of 1857. 4. The only difference was that there was no civil rebellion following the mutiny. 5. The 1806 revolt was not confined to Vellore Fort. 6. It had its echoes in Bellary, Balajabad, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Nandidurg and Shankaridurg. Option A 1, 2, 3 only correct. Option B 2, 3, 4, 5 only correct. Option C 1, 3, 4, 6 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. This is a screenshot for summary and glossary. Just go through on this one. Hereafter book back questions. Question number 115. Who was the first Palaikarras to resist the East India Company's policy of territorial aggrandizement? Option A Marudu brothers. Option B Poolidevar. Option C Veru Nachiyar. Option D Veerapandi Kattabomman. Correct answer is option B Poolidevar. Question number 116. Who had established close relationship with the 3 agents of Chanda Sahib? Option A Velu Nachiyar. Option B Kattabomman. Option C Poolidevar. Option D Umaithurai. Correct answer is option C Poolidevar. Question number 117. Where was Siva Subramanianar executed? Option A Kayathar. Option B Nagalapuram. Option C Virupachi. Option D Panjalanguruchi. Correct answer is option B Nagalapuram. Question number 118. Who issued the Tiruchirappalli Proclamation of Independence? Option A Marudu brothers. Option B Poolidevar. Option C Veerapandi Kattabomman. Option D Gopala Nayak. Correct answer is option A Marudu brothers. Question number 119. When did the Vellore revolt break out? Option A 24 May 1805. Option B 10 July 1805. Option C 10 July 1806. Option D 10 September 1806. Correct answer is option C 10 July 1806. Question number 120. Who was the commander-in-chief responsible for the new military regulations in Vellore Fort? Option A Colonel Fancourt. Option B Major Armstrong. Option C Sir John Cradock. Option D Colonel Agnew. Correct answer is option C Sir John Cradock. Question number 121. Where were the sons of Tipu Sultan sent after the Vellore revolt? Option A Calcutta, option B Mumbai, option C Delhi, option D Mysore. Correct answer is option A Calcutta. Question number 122. Identify which is correct statement. 1. The Palaikara system was put in place in Tamil Nadu by Vishwanatha Nayaka of Madurai. 2. Velu Nachiyar and her daughter were under the protection of Gopala Nayakar for 8 years. 3. Bannerman deputed Ramalinganar to convey his message asking Kattavamman to surrender. 4. Kattavamman was hanged to death at Kayathar. 5. The rebellion of Marudhu brothers was categorized in the British records as the Second Palaikarar War. 6. Fateh Haidar, the eldest son of Tipu Sultan, was declared the new Sultan by the rebels in Vellore Fort. Option A 1, 2 only correct. Option B 2, 3, 4 only correct. Option C 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 123. Choose the correct statement. 1. The Palaikara system was in practice in the Kakatiya kingdom. 2. Pulidevar recaptured Nerkattum Seval in 1764 after the death of Khan Sahib. 3. Yusuf Khan, who was negotiating with the Palaikaras without informing the company administration, was charged with treachery and hanged in 1764. 4. Ondi Veeran led one of the army units of Kattavamman. Option A 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Option B 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Option C 3 and 4 are correct. Option D 1 and 4 are correct. Correct answer is option B. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. In 4, Ondi Veeran led one of the army units of not Kattavamman, Pulidevar. Correct answer is option B. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Question number 124. Choose the correct statement. 1. Under Colonel Campbell, the English army went along with Mahfuz Khan's army. 2. After Muthuvaduga's death in Kalayar Kovil battle, Marudhu brothers assisted Velu Nachiyar in restoring the throne to her. 3. Gopala Nayak spearheaded the famous Dindigul League. 4. In May 1799, Cornwallis ordered the advance of company armies to Tirunelveli. Option A 1 and 2 are correct. Option B 2 and 3 are correct. Option C 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Option D 1 and 4 are correct. Correct answer is option B. 2 and 3 are correct. In 1, instead of Colonel Campbell, Heron should come. Likewise in 4th one, instead of Cornwallis, Lord Wellesley should come. Correct answer is option B. 2 and 3 are correct. Question number 125. Choose the correct statement. Assertion A. Pulidevar tried to get the support of Hyder Ali and the French. Reason or Hyder Ali could not help Pulidevar as he was already in a serious conflict with the Marathas. Option A. Both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option B. Both A and R are wrong. Option C. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Option D. A is wrong and R is correct. Correct answer is option C. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. This is the final question. Question number 126. Match the following. Tirthagiri, Gopala Nayak, Bannerman, Subedar Sheikh Adam. This is left side. Right side is Vellur Revolt, Ramalinganar, Dindukkal, Odanilai. Option A 4321, option B 4132, option C 3421, option D 2431. Correct answer is option A 4321. Tirthagiri is Odanilai. Gopala Nayak, Dindukkal. Bannerman, Ramalinganar. Subedar Sheikh Adam, Vellur Revolt. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. I think this video will be useful to you. If you like this video, just click like button and share to your friends. Please support us. Please subscribe this channel, then only you will get our new updates notifications. Once again, thank you friends.